This is a huge conference. In fact, it's being attended by 10,696 participants, coming from 187 countries that are parties to the convention, 2 observer states, 400 non-governmental organizations, 38 international organizations, but 789 accredited media. This is the halfway mark in an incredibly important negotiating process. In 2007, we received 2 important signals. The first was a signal from the scientific community that we humans are causing climate change, that there will be devastating impacts if we fail to address it, but also, encouragingly, that we have many of the technologies at our disposal today that will allow us to come to grips with this issue. The second important signal we received was from the economic community, especially from the report of Sir Nicholas Stern on the economics of climate change, where he said if we fail to act on climate change, this will result in an economic failure on the scale of 2 world wars and the Great Depression combined. Can you really mobilize international financial resources in a time of economic crisis and in a time of economic downturn? Now, that is a critical question because finance, money, is at the heart of finding a long-term solution to the issue of climate change. A major advance in Bali was the developing countries indicated that they are willing to take real, measurable and verifiable action to limit their emissions, providing industrialized countries make real, measurable and verifiable financial resources and technology available. In other words, advancing the commitments of industrialized countries is intimately linked to enhancing the engagement of developing countries and vice versa. We really have to find a way forward together. I expect here and hope to see here the formal launch of the Adaptation Fund, a unique instrument that provides developing countries with assistance to adapt to the impacts of climate change. I expect significant advances on the question of technology transfer. I expect a significant advance on the Clean Development Mechanism to streamline that mechanism, make it more suited to the needs of developing countries, but also to ensure that that mechanism reaches more countries. I also expect this meeting to make a significant advance on the whole question of deforestation. So Poznań will show significant progress in terms of ongoing work that's on the agenda. Poznań represents the moment in this process when ministers will convene to provide political guidance, and Poznań will be the moment where ministers present their vision of what cooperative action to address climate change should look like. Thank you.